Welcome to MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're going to reveal one of Mapei's best kept secrets: how to shave hours off of wall and floor surface prep for large format tile installations using our render and sloping mortars. I'm joined by our business and marketing manager for tile and stone installation systems, Brian Pastolka. Brian, welcome, and how are you?
Thanks, Sam. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So let's talk speed. The two products that we are going to be discussing today are Planetop 330 Fast Render Mortar and Planaslope RS Sloping Mortar. And they are both designed to add speed to large format tile projects as well as increasing bond strengths. Isn't that right?
That's right, Sam. When working with large format tiles, it's especially important that there's a good bond between the tile and the substrate. Larger tiles can tend to have a bow or a warp in them. Installing bold tile onto a substrate that isn't perfectly flat will cause problems because the mortar doesn't make full contact and good bond isn't established. Planetop 330 Fast, quick setting, polymer modified rendering, patching, and leveling mortar flattens the substrate, creating a perfectly flat surface.
What's cool about it is it always allows you to prepare walls, floors, ceilings quickly with faster turnaround times.
Yes, it does. And you can use Planetop 330 Fast on interior and exterior surfaces, and the non-sagging, non-slumping, non-shrinking formula will be ready for tiling in around 90 minutes. It can be applied from 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 in thickness to ramp, smooth, and level surfaces.
It can even be used in submerged applications, such as pools, fountains, hot tubs, those types of things. And this brings us to our next product, Planaslope RS, our cement-based polymer-modified sloping mortar.
This can be used to build slopes and float pans in showers, and it can also be used for leveling, screeding, ramping, and trench applications. It can be applied up to 3 inches thick for leveling applications and up to 5 inches thick in trenches, designed for interior and exterior use and wet and dry environments. Planaslope RS lets you set tile in as little as 2 hours.
That is rapid setting. Both of these products allow you to speed up your installation process. Whether you're installing, for example, a single shower or multi-showers like in a condo complex.
Correct. And if you are installing multiple showers, these products really represent a savings in time.
Ah, that's very nice.
It is. Planetop 330 Fast and Planaslope RS helps get the surface prep accomplished quickly, while later assisting in the speed of the installation process.
And of course, Mapei has more time-saving products to help finish your large format tiling projects. But we're going to cover those in a future video.
That's right. It is not a secret that we have waterproofing as well as more mortars and grouts to cover.
Hey, thanks for joining me today, Brian. I've enjoyed revealing Mapei's best kept secrets for large format surface prep with you. Thank you for taking the time to explain the basics of Planetop 330 Fast and Planaslope RS to us.
You're welcome, Sam.
I encourage anyone who needs more information to call us at 1-800-992-6273 or to drop by our website at www.mapei.com. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To make sure you don't miss the next episode, hit the bell icon down below. And thanks again for watching this edition of MTI TV.